Infantry soldier.
Infantry soldiers are the core of most armies, fighting directly on the ground. They move on foot or with light vehicles carrying rifles and basic equipment. Their role has existed for thousands of years, from ancient warriors to modern troops. What sets them apart is their adaptability, as they operate in cities, forests, deserts, and almost any battlefield.
Sniper.
Snipers are highly trained soldiers who specialize in long-range precision shooting. They often work in pairs and remain hidden for long periods, waiting for the right moment. Their role is not just about eliminating targets, but also gathering intelligence and creating psychological pressure. Their patience and accuracy make them one of the most specialized roles in modern warfare.
Medic.
Medics are responsible for treating injured soldiers on the battlefield. They carry medical supplies and provide immediate care under dangerous conditions. Their role has evolved over time, but the purpose remains the same: to save lives. Even in intense combat, medics are often respected for their humanitarian role.
Engineer.
Engineers handle construction, demolition, and technical tasks during military operations. They build bridges, clear obstacles, and defuse explosives. Their work allows other soldiers to move safely and effectively. Without them, many missions would slow down or fail entirely.
Tank crew.
Tank crew members operate armored vehicles designed for heavy combat. Each crew member has a specific role, such as driving, aiming, or commanding. Tanks have been a major part of warfare since World War I, bringing power and protection to the battlefield. Their strength lies in combining mobility with strong firepower.
Pilot.
Pilots control military aircraft, ranging from fighter jets to transport planes. They operate in the air, often at high speeds and under extreme conditions. Their missions can include combat, reconnaissance, or support. Air power has become a key part of modern warfare, making pilots essential in controlling the skies.
Special forces.
Special forces are elite soldiers trained for high-risk and specialized missions. They often operate in small teams and handle tasks like counterterrorism, rescue operations, and deep reconnaissance. Their training is intense and selective. What makes them different is their ability to work independently in complex situations.
Artillery soldier.
Artillery soldiers operate large weapons that fire shells over long distances. They support frontline troops by targeting enemy positions from afar. This role has been important since the use of cannons in early warfare. Their strength comes from delivering powerful strikes without direct contact.
Navy sailor.
Navy sailors serve on ships and submarines, operating in oceans and seas. Their duties vary from navigation to combat and maintenance. Naval forces have long been crucial for controlling trade routes and projecting power across distances. Life at sea requires discipline and teamwork.
Communications soldier.
Communications soldiers manage the flow of information between units. They operate radios, satellites, and digital systems to ensure orders are delivered clearly. In modern warfare, communication is critical for coordination. Their work keeps the entire force connected and organized.
Logistics soldier.
Logistics soldiers handle supplies such as food, fuel, and equipment. They ensure that troops have everything needed to continue fighting. Their role may seem less visible, but it is vital for sustaining operations. Armies depend on strong logistics to function effectively.
Military police.
Military police are responsible for maintaining order and enforcing rules within the armed forces. They handle security, investigations, and traffic control in military areas. Their role combines law enforcement with military discipline. This helps maintain structure and trust within the ranks.
Drone operator.
Drone operators control unmanned aerial vehicles used for surveillance and combat. They often work from a distance, using screens and controls instead of being physically present on the battlefield. This role has grown rapidly in modern warfare. It allows missions to be carried out with reduced risk to personnel.
Reconnaissance scout.
Reconnaissance scouts gather information about enemy positions and terrain. They move quietly and avoid direct conflict whenever possible. Their observations help commanders make better decisions. This role depends on awareness, stealth, and careful movement.
Anti-aircraft soldier.
Anti-aircraft soldiers focus on defending against enemy aircraft. They operate weapons designed to detect and destroy targets in the sky. As air power became more dominant, this role became increasingly important. Their presence helps protect troops and critical locations from aerial threats.